Traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. Let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got myok up almost 80% this morning. Over 500,000 traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. KC up over 10%. Almost 450,000 traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. Tesla down almost 3%. Over 400,000 traded pre-market. That's in play here. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's go see what we can grab out of the market this morning. MYOK, we're going to short this here. Alright, we are in MYOK 102.50. This sucker's up huge this morning and it tried to climb here and it's not succeeding, so the stop loss is going to be around 103.50 to 104 area, and target's going to be around 101, but I think it drops here and it drops dramatic. Alright, here we go. But we think it cracks. Alright, there we go. Let's take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. Nice. We got about a point and a half. Probably should have waited. Look at it drop now. Look at it drop. But if we look at the daily here, stock is up huge. It went up to almost 120 this morning, and then it started to drop pre-market, and then it opened and it started to climb a little bit. When it started to reverse a little bit, that's when I said, let me jump on this. BA, we're going to short this right here. Alright, we are in BA at 129.85. Breached the bottom here. It's pulling back a little bit, but we think it drops to at least 120, at least below 128. That's what we'll take it, because it is down quite a bit here. But if it doesn't work out, we'll come out of it around 130.50 area. But it's struggling here. Come on. You know what? We're going to come out of this. I don't like it anymore. I'll push this up. It should have dropped already. Alright, we're out. We're out. When it didn't drop right away, market's starting to get green a little bit. I'm like, I better get out of this trade. This thing's going to climb. It is BA, you know. But we still took a little over 20 cents. And there it is. When it didn't continue to drop, after about a minute or so, minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, I'm like, I better get out of this. Alright, we're going to short this right here if we can. Alright, we're short. Alright, we're short at 185.77. We want at least down to 184. Stop loss will be over around 187. So now it looks like it's going to pop here. It's been trying to pop here for a bit after a pop, so that's usually hard. So we think we can probably get this down, but if not, we will come out of it. It's going to pop here. Should probably come out of it. There it's popping, coming up on our stop area here, but it's been climbing so much it needs a breather. So when it does pull back, it should be a good size pullback, but it needs to pull back soon. Alright, we're at our stop area. Just poked at our stop. We're going to hold off and see what happens here. I want a red candle. There's too much green here. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. It's not dropping fast enough here. I'm going to push this up. Alright, we're out. We're out. We took a little under a point loser on it. I should have pulled back already. So it's probably going to consolidate for a little bit. The market's climbing. If we look at the SPY, the market's still climbing. MYK, we're going to take this for another short here. Alright, we are in MYOK. I think this should have climbed already, and it's not climbing. Market is screaming higher, so we think it drops down to at least 99. That's going to be our target, about 99. Stop loss will be over 102 area. Should have climbed already, didn't. It's closer to the lows of the day than it is to the highs, but it is up huge this morning, so could easily pop hard. Alright, let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright, here we go. We got about a point here. Want a little bit more, but it is struggling here. But I think it cracks 100 here. Come on. Alright, here we go. It tried to climb there, didn't succeed, so I don't think it has a choice now. Come on, crack 100 right there. Won't crack, come on. Alright, we're going to come out of this. This thing's struggling here. We're out. We took 60 cents. It's just been jumping around here at that 100 for a bit. It's probably going to crack it, but if it doesn't, it's going to be a massive squeeze. I don't want to be part of that. So we took a little over 60 cents, 61 cents. BYND, we're going to short this right here. Hopefully we can get in it. Alright, we are in it. Nice. We're just gonna take a pullback on this because look at all this green. Look at all this green. Gotta go short this. This thing's gone up almost 10 points. Doesn't mean it ain't gonna climb more, but it needs a pullback. So target on this thing is gonna be around 137, and stop loss will be around 139.30 area. But I think there's a good opportunity here for this thing to look at all that green. Come on. And if we look at the daily here, look at this thing. This thing's been on fire, you know. But it does need a pullback. But if it doesn't pull back soon, we'll probably have to come out of it. Just touched 139 here. All right, we're heading to our stop area here. We're at our stop area. We're not going to come out yet. Stops around 139. All right, it's pulling back here. Just took out all those stops at the highs of the day. So now we'll see what happens. If it doesn't drop soon, we'll just come out of it. All right, here it comes. All right, should see a nice drop here. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. All right, let's take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We took about, what is that, 90 cents or so. Oh, and check out bynd here. Huge drop right there. I should have stayed in it. Look at that thing drop. twlo, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. All right, we are in twlo long, only 100 shares. Oh, we're full in. We're full in. Look at this. This is nice here. This is a nice bull flag. It got the pull here, and now you got the whole chop going on here. Climbed here, went to new highs, and then now it's dropping. Now it's getting picked up. Now all the shorts are going to have to come out of this. Where? Around 188. So target's going to be around 188.50, point and a half. Thinking. We'll see how it reacts. Market's climbing a little bit. And stop loss will be around below 186 area, around here, about 70 or so, 80, depends, you know. But I think it's going to blast off because as it climbs, shorts are going to have to come out right around here. And they'll probably start coming out before it hits the top, and that's when you see that explosive move. That's pretty much what we look for, you know. But if it don't work, you got to come out of the trade. All right, here we go. Here we go. I don't see why it doesn't explode here. But it needs to go soon. Struggling a little bit here. Come on. All right, here we go. A little bit more. All right, we're just going to take this here. All right, we're out. Almost to our target. And it's probably going to blast off over the top here. But just in case it doesn't, I don't want to leave almost a point. We got, what is that? About 90 cents on this trade. So I don't want to leave that behind. Just in case it drops. But you know, it does look nice here for a nice breakout. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. So we're just going to keep it green here. We're up 440. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loser. Our biggest winner on myok and our loser on twlo. Thanks for watching.